Wave hello to Macapá, a hidden gem nestled in the state of Amapá, Brazil. Home to a bustling population of over 400,000, this city is a cultural cauldron waiting to be stirred. Firstly, did you know Macapá is the only city in Brazil bisected by the equator? You can literally have one foot in the northern hemisphere and the other in the southern. Secondly, the city's zero marker monument is a sight to behold. It's where the equator line physically passes. And thirdly, every September, the city comes alive with the Amapá Black Culture Festival, a celebration of Afro-Brazilian culture. Now, on to the weird and wonderful. 1, Macapa's soccer stadium is uniquely designed so that each half of the field lies in a different hemisphere. 2, despite it being a coastal city, there are no beaches in Macapá. The coast is dominated by mangroves. And 3, the city is home to a giant Amazon water lily. Its leaves can support a small child. Boredom doesn't stand a chance in Macapá. So why not add this vibrant city to your bucket list? And while you're here, follow me on Instagram at amar.gurgles for more fascinating facts. Until next time, stay curious.